Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel versus Ka'Chava, two popular nutritional shakes. We'll dive into what makes each unique, helping you decide which one best fits your dietary needs and lifestyle. Huel focuses on complete, plant-based nutrition, while Ka'Chava emphasizes a superfood blend for overall wellness. Both offer a convenient way to get essential nutrients, perfect for busy individuals seeking a quick and healthy meal replacement. Let's explore their differences. When we look at nutrition, Huel typically provides a higher amount of protein and fiber per serving, which can be great for satiety and muscle support. Ka'Chava, on the other hand, stands out with its impressive array of adaptogens, probiotics, and superfoods, designed for holistic health benefits. While calorie counts per serving are often quite similar, the micronutrient profiles offer distinct advantages depending on your specific health goals. It's all about what your body needs. Diving into ingredients, Huel primarily uses a blend of oats, pea protein, and flaxseed, providing a solid foundation of macronutrients. Ka'Chava takes a different approach, boasting a comprehensive mix of over 70 plant-based nutrients including greens, berries, and mushrooms. Regarding cost, Huel generally offers a more budget-friendly option, often coming in at around $2.50 per meal. Ka'Chava, with its extensive ingredient list, typically has a higher price point. Finally, let's talk about the user experience, including taste and texture. Huel often has a more neutral, oat-like flavor and a smooth consistency, making it versatile for mixing. Ka'Chava tends to have richer, more distinct flavors and a thicker, creamier texture, which many find satisfying. Ultimately, your preference will depend on your taste buds and desired consistency. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.